Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and stop copying someone on trading on eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you have not already by going to eToro.com. Right here is going to open up the main page from where you can get started using the join eToro option to go and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So once you have logged into your account, you're going to be greeted by the main page where at the left side of the screen you are going to be able to access the menu with all your trading options, portfolio, wallet, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to stop copying someone. So basically here we have an article on the official eToro Help Center, how to stop copying someone. So what we want to do is we have two different options to stop copying a trader. We can sell all. When you choose this option, you sell all the positions in the copy and all the funds move to your cash available balance. You have the second option, which is keep all. This allows you to remove the positions from a copy and see the positions listed in your portfolio, and uninvested funds will be reflected in your cash available balance. So to stop copying someone, go to your portfolio, open up directly from the menu right here that's going to appear, click on the trader you wish to stop copying and click on the three dots next to the selected trader. This is going to enable you to select stop copying from the menu, and on the new screen click on sell all to close your copy position, or keep all, select confirm, and just like that you're going to stop copying someone. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.